This is Coprosma Rainbow Surprise, and we're going to look at how to prune this. The nice thing about the plant is it's naturally pretty compact. What you're looking at here is a early winter shot. The leaves have started to turn. They're getting this pinkish white look to them, as you can see, and that's just in response to the cold. What you're going to see in a minute is how pink they become when they're really cold. But these are less than a year old and they've already been pruned once. I'm going to go into how to prune them to tighten them up. Now here's a 2-year-old planting that has not been pruned at all, and what I'm going to do is come in and remove these high spots and try and get some better density to the plant. Depending on what you're after, you're going to see these after they've grown in a year after this pruning. You're going to see how much they fill in. If you want a dense plant, then what I'm doing now is going to show you how to do that. Essentially, I take these down about 6 to 8 inches below the general top of the plant that I want to achieve. So if I say that the layer's starting at 2 feet high, I cut 6 to 8 inches below that because the limb is going to divide 2 to 3 times wherever you cut it and fill in from there. So if you just cut the top, you're going to create a lot of density right on top and not throughout the plant. So this is generally how we approach these. You can see here that it's filled in. It's nice and full from the top to the bottom, and that's how I approach these. If you want and these are about 24 to 30 inches high, by the way. Rainbow Surprise can get around 4 feet tall and wide, but I generally am designing it to be in this 2-foot range plus or minus, and so I prune it accordingly. This group right here that you see, these are around 18 inches, and you can see there's kind of a horizontal feel to these plants. So what they're doing is they're removing any vertical branches that come up and encouraging more of a horizontal feel to the plant, and that's just another way to treat these. By the way, you can prune these anytime you want. We were pruning these others in winter, but these can be pruned any time of year. And so that's what I can tell you about maintaining Coprosma Rainbow Surprise.